Handa ka na bang matuto? So for this week topic is about application of linear inequalities in two variables. Mathematics 8, Module 2 of Quarter 2. Tara na! So naalala nyo ba itong last video ko nito about graphing linear inequalities in two variables? So we have more than or greater than, at ang shade natin dyan is above the broken line. Kapag naman ganito, pwede tayong, ang tawag dyan is more than or equal to, greater than or equal to, at least, and then we're going to shade above the solid line. Kapag naman ganito ang ating ginamit, less than, so we're going to shade below the broken line. Kapag naman sinabi natin less than or equal to, or at most, sa ibang word, we're going to shade below the solid line. So, ang mga may solid lang dyan, yung may mga salitang equal to. Again, kung wala ka pang screenshot ng part na to, paki-screenshot po kasi makakatulong ito ng malaki sa inyong pag-shade ng portion. Now, for this week topic is an application. So, ano-ano nga ba ang tips na kailangan natin to have a linear inequalities in two variables? Una, tandaan natin na laging meron dalawang involved na quantity or may dalawang bagay na involved. Pwedeng lalaki, babae, dalawang klase ng prutas, dalawang klase ng ticket, pwedeng height at saka yung weight. Tapos, yung dalawang yun, meron silang connection sa isa't isa. No? Pwedeng tungkol sa presyo nila, tungkol sa piraso, tungkol sa gaano kadami. Ayun yung nagko-connect sa kanilang dalawa. Tapos meron tayong kailangan tandaan sa paggawa or sa pagsagot ng boarded problems about linear equation or linear inequalities in two variables. Una, dapat alam natin kung ano hinahanap. Ano ang mathematical statement? We're going to show the graph. Now, meron tayong two process na napakadali lang para isolve to. We have the x and y intercept and the slope intercept form. And then, we're going to check a point on the graph. Ready ka na? So, let us have the first example. Lila needs to have at most 13 pieces of any face shield and face mask. If each face shield costs 3 pesos each and the face mask costs 10 pesos, how many of each kind can she buy for at least 26 pesos? O eto na nga, meron dalawang quantity dito. Yung face shield at saka yung face mask. And then yung kukonekta sa kanila ay yung kanilang mga presyo. Now, represent natin si X ay yung face shield at si Y ay ang face mask. Sabi, at most 13 pieces of any face shield and face mask. So, dun tayo sa piraso. So, ibig sabihin pag inad daw natin si X plus Y, dapat daw ang makukuha natin is at most. Ano ang symbol ng at most? Yes, it should be less than or equal to 13. And then, ang sabi, face shield cost, dito na tayo sa nagko-connecta sa dalawang quantity natin, yung kanilang presyo. So, 3 pesos at saka 10 pesos. Iko-connecta natin sila, sabi, at least 26 pesos daw yon. So, ano magiging symbol? Tama, magiging ganyan tayo. So, ayan na yung dalawang equation na hinahanap dyan. Now, pwede na natin siyang isolve using the x and y intercept. So, doon tayo sa first equation, gawin natin siyang yan. Hanapin natin sa x-intercept. Kapag hinahanap sa x-intercept, kailangan 0 si y. So, magiging x is equal to 13. And then, ayun si x, nasa doon sa baba, 13, kulay blue na dot. And then, let us have the y-intercept. Y-intercept, set natin si x na 0. So, okay, y is equal to 13. Yun ang ating y is equal to 13, i-connect lang natin to using a solid line kasi nga merong equal to sa baba. And then, ang tanong, nasa taas po ba o nasa baba? Siyempre, dun tayo sa baba kasi nga daw at least or at most ang ginamit, no? So, yun yung i-shade natin. Nilagyan ko muna ng arrow. And then, let us have the red equation. Again, gamitan natin na x and y intercept. Isi-zero natin si y. Magiging 3x is equal to 26. And then, divide both side by 3. Ang lalabas is 8.67. Approximately, andun siya sa pagitan ni 8 at saka ni 9. Okay, next, we have y-intercept. Isi-zero natin si x. And then, y will become 2.6. So, nasa pagitan siya ni 2 at saka ni 3. And then, kukonect natin to using a solid line. At dahil ang ginamit is greater than, dun tayo sa shade na pataas. At yung part na to kung saan sila magkikita, ayun ang tatawagin nating solution set ng ating problem. Okay tayo doon? Pwede tayong mag-check ng point. Halimbawa, pumili tayo na isa. 5 kay x, 4 kay y. Gamitin natin ng equation. So, gamitin natin yung first equation na x plus y is less than or equal to 13. Papalitan natin yung x ng 5 at si y ay 4. So, magiging 9. 9 is less than or equal to 13. Tama naman, di ba? So, that is the part of the solution set. Okay, next. Pwede din natin yan ipalit sa red equation. So, magiging 3 times 5 is 15, 10 times 4 is 40, is greater than or equal to 26. So, magiging 55 is greater than or equal to 26. Tama ba yun? Yes, tama pa rin yun, no? Okay, another equation. You saw a fishball vendor on the street. You can only take not more than 11 pieces of mixed fishball and kikiam. The fishball costs 1 peso each and the kikiam costs 2 pesos each. How many of each kind can you buy if you have only a money that is not more than 16 pesos on your pocket? Hindi daw tataas sa 16 pesos. So, let us represent kikiam as x, fishball as y. Sabi, mix daw yun. Paghahaluin mo daw yun. Walang sinabi kung ilan si fishball o ilan si kikiam. Ano? Basta paghahaluin mo, dapat daw ang makukuha mo is hindi dadami sa 11. So, ang magiging equation natin is x plus y less than or equal to 11. Okay. And then, yung susunod na equation natin is about their prices. So, magiging dos daw ang kikiam at ang fishball ay piso. At ang magiging pera mo lang is not more than 16 pesos. That is less than or equal to 16 pesos. And then, let us now solve this equation using the x-intercept. Gagawin ulit natin 0 si y. And then, x is 11. Now, to solve for y-intercept, 0 si x. Magiging y is 11. Now, pwede na natin itong hanapin sa graph. Ayun si x as 11. And then, y is also equal to 11. Connect this using a solid line kasi may equal to. Now, yung i-shade natin yung nasa baba kasi nga less than tayo. Next, let us have the red equation. So, papalitan lang natin yan. X-intercept, isi-zero natin si y. Magiging 2x plus 1 times 0. Siyempre, alam mo na, that is 0. So, 2x is equal to 16. Divide both side by 2. X is equal to 8. Okay. So, i-graph natin yan. Ayun si 8. Okay. And then, we have, isi-zero naman natin si x to find your y values. Magiging 1y is equal to 16. So, 16 na kagad si y. Asaan siya? Ayun, nasa taas ni 15. And then, we're going to connect these two dots, red dots. Ang gagamitin natin ay solid line kasi is less than is or equal to. And then, i-graph na natin or i-shade na natin yung portion na yun. Now, yung portion kung saan sila nagkita, yan, ayan ang ating magiging solution. Now, let us check a point. Let's say ito, 2 and 6. So, si x ay 2 at si y ay 6. Gamitin natin yung blue equation. 2 plus 6 is less than or equal to 11. 8, si 8 ba ay less than or mababa ba or equal sa 11? Oo. So, that is true. How about in the red equation? So, 2 times 2 plus 1 times 6. So, that is 4 plus 6 is less than or equal to 16. Ang 10 ba ay less than or equal to 16? Yes. So, definitely, ibig sabihin, ayun nga. Yung shaded portion na yun ay solution set ng both two equations. Pwede siyang bumili ng 2 kikiam at 6 na fishball. Okay? So, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na to. At dahil umabot kayo sa dulo ng video, salamat. Ako nga pala si Ma'am Maya. Kung may time ka pa, paki-subscribe at paki-like na rin yung mga video ko sa YouTube. Bye!